Prepare to be catapulted into a world of luxury and limitless potential. Imagine, you're not just lounging on a yacht, you're sprawled across the sun-drenched deck of your own floating paradise, crystal flute of Dom Perignon in hand. The gentle lapping of azure waves is music to your ears, but it's nothing compared to the symphony of Ka-ching echoing from your phone as your mini-manufacturing empire floods your accounts with cash. Welcome to Kingdom Cash, where dreams become empires and garage workshops transform into gold mines. Forget everything you thought you knew about entrepreneurship. We're not talking about climbing the corporate ladder, we're handing you a rocket pack to blast right past it. Picture this. 25 cutting-edge profit-pumping machines so revolutionary, they make the printing press look like child's play. And the best part? They're just a click away, ready to turn your spare room into a fortress of financial freedom. 1. Chinese steamed buns and bow burgers machine, cost approximately $2,000. This versatile machine efficiently produces authentic Chinese steamed buns and trendy bow burgers. Perfect for aspiring food entrepreneurs or established restaurants, it offers a compact design suitable for small spaces and a high output capacity to meet customer demand during peak hours. Potential earnings, $500 to $1,000 per day. Additional benefits, low operating costs, easy maintenance, and customization options for flavors and fillings. Next up, we have the acrylic bending machine. At a cost of around $1,000, this machine can transform ordinary acrylic sheets into eye-catching furniture, signage, and decorative pieces. It's ideal for craft enthusiasts, interior designers, and small businesses, allowing for intricate designs and smooth curves. Potential earnings? Well, they can range from $3,000 to $5,000 per week. Plus, with low material costs, high profit margins, and the ability to create personalized products, this machine is a fantastic investment. Moving on, we have the newspaper pencils machine. This one costs about $4,000 and converts discarded newspapers into eco-friendly pencils. It's a great product for appealing to environmentally conscious consumers and organizations looking to reduce their carbon footprint. Potential earnings here can be between $2,000 and $3,000 per week. Additionally, it supports circular economy initiatives and offers potential for custom branding, making it a win-win for sustainability and business growth. Let's talk about the canvas and acrylic printing machine. Priced at approximately $1,500, this machine produces stunning gallery-quality prints on canvas or acrylic. It's perfect for artists, photographers, and online sellers, capable of handling various sizes and even printing AI-generated art. Potential earnings from this machine can range from $2,000 to $4,000 per week. And with low ink costs and the potential for collaboration with local artists, it offers a great opportunity for creative and financial success. 5. Embroidery machine, cost approximately $2,500. Offer professional-grade embroidery services for clothing, accessories, and home decor. Ideal for personalized gifts, branded apparel, and custom designs. Potential earnings, $3,000 to $5,000 per week. Additional benefits, high demand for personalized items and the ability to create unique, high-value products. 6. Nicotine-free cigarettes machine. Cost approximately $2,500. Produce herbal, nicotine-free cigarettes. This niche market caters to health-conscious individuals looking for smoking alternatives. Potential earnings, $4,000 to $6,000 per week. Additional benefits, growing health awareness market, and the potential for partnerships with cessation programs. 7. Popcorn vending machines. Cost approximately $1,000. Install self-serve popcorn vending machines in high-traffic areas. These machines offer fresh, hot popcorn on demand. Potential earnings, $500 to $1,000 per week per machine. Additional benefits, low maintenance and potential for multiple machine placements. Wall printers, cost around $3,000. Create custom, large-scale wall decorations for various spaces. This unique service is perfect for interior designers and businesses looking to enhance visual branding. Potential earnings, $3,000 to $5,000 per week. Additional benefits include minimal competition and potential for recurring business. Rice and corn cakes machine, cost approximately $3,500. Manufacture healthy, gluten-free rice and corn cakes. Ideal for health-conscious consumers, this machine allows for various flavors and ingredients. Potential earnings, $2,000 to $4,000 per week. Additional benefits include a growing health food market and potential for wholesale distribution. Liquid packaging machine. Cost about $2,500. Package sauces, condiments, and other liquids into convenient packets or bottles. Ideal for launching your own line of sauces. Potential earnings: $3,000 to $5,000 per week. Additional benefits include custom packaging services and potential for white label production. 11. Food printers for decorating. These incredible machines allow you to print edible images and designs on cakes, cookies, and other food items. Perfect for bakeries and event planners. The cost is around $2,000. Potential earnings can range from $2,500 to $4,500 per week. Additional benefits include high profit margins and collaboration opportunities with event planners. 12. Fast food packaging machine. This machine produces custom packaging for fast food items. It allows for branded, eco-friendly packaging solutions. The cost is approximately $4,000. Potential earnings can range from $5,000 to $8,000 per week. Additional benefits include a growing demand for sustainable packaging and the potential for long-term contracts. 13. Samosas and dumplings machine. This machine efficiently produces high-quality samosas and dumplings. Perfect for catering businesses and food trucks. The cost is about $700. Potential earnings can range from $1,500 to $3,000 per week. Additional benefits include a low initial investment and the ability to experiment with different fillings. 14. Tea packaging machines. With a cost of around $5,000, you can create your own line of branded tea bags with custom blends. This is ideal for tea enthusiasts and small businesses. Potential earnings range from $4,000 to $6,000 per week. Plus, you get the additional benefits of offering unique blends and flavors, and there's a great potential for online sales. 15. Die cutting and creasing machines. These machines cost about $3,500. They allow you to produce custom cardboard boxes and promotional materials, making them ideal for businesses creating branded packaging. You can potentially earn between $4,000 and $7,000 per week. Additionally, there's a high demand in e-commerce and there's potential for luxury product packaging. 16. Tube filling machines. With an approximate cost of $3,000, these machines can fill and seal tubes with products like creams, gels, or sauces. They are essential for cosmetics and food product lines. Potential earnings range from $3,500 to $6,000 per week. Moreover, the versatility in product types and the potential for white label manufacturing are significant additional benefits. Before we move on to the remainder of the list, we invite you to hit that like button, subscribe, and ring the bell icon so you never miss out on the latest tips and tricks for growing your business. It helps us out and allows us to bring you more content. If you want more in-depth guidance, check out our exclusive resources and courses designed to elevate your entrepreneurial journey. 17. Disposable paper tableware production. Cost approximately $4,000. Manufacture eco-friendly paper plates, cups, and utensils. This machine taps into the growing demand for sustainable alternatives. Potential earnings: $4,500 to $7,500 per week. Additional benefits: aligns with environmental initiatives and potential for bulk orders. 18. Honey sticks production machine. Cost approximately $2,000. Produce individually packaged honey sticks. Ideal for tea shops, cafes, and hotels. Potential earnings: $2,000 to $4,000 per week. Additional benefits: low production costs and potential for creating flavored honey varieties. 19. Cardboard perforation equipment. Costing around $1,000, this machine converts cardboard waste into useful packing material. It's ideal for businesses looking to minimize waste. You could potentially earn between $1,500 to $3,500 per week. Plus, it reduces waste disposal costs and appeals to environmentally conscious businesses. 20. Aerosol can filling equipment. This equipment costs approximately $5,000. It fills aerosol cans with products like paints or air fresheners, making it versatile for multiple industries. Potential earnings range from $5,000 to $8,000 per week. Additionally, there's a high demand for this in the automotive and household product markets. 21. Envelope making machines. With a cost of about $2,500, these machines produce envelopes in various sizes and styles. They are ideal for businesses that require custom stationery. Potential earnings can be between $3,000 to $5,000 per week. There's also the potential for customization and bulk orders, which is a great benefit. Charcoal briquette making machine. The cost is around $3,000. This machine converts waste materials into charcoal briquettes, making it perfect for the grilling market and eco-conscious consumers. Potential earnings range from $3,000 to $6,000 per week. Additionally, it supports sustainable practices and has a wide range of applications. 23. Perfume filling machines cost approximately $4,000. These machines fill perfume bottles with fragrances, making them ideal for launching a custom fragrance line. Potential earnings range from $5,000 to $7,000 per week. Additional benefits include high profit margins and the potential for brand development. 24. Recycled plastic construction blocks cost approximately $4,500. These machines produce building blocks from recycled plastic, making them perfect for sustainable construction projects. Potential earnings range from $4,500 to $7,000 per week. Additional benefits include contributing to environmental sustainability and having applications in various construction projects. 25. Detergent powder and soap making machines cost approximately $3,500. These machines produce detergent powder and soap bars, making them ideal for launching a home cleaning products line. Potential earnings range from $3,500 to $6,500 per week. Additional benefits include high demand and the potential for organic and eco-friendly product lines. Whether you're looking to start a new venture or expand an existing one, these machines offer unique opportunities to tap into profitable markets. As always, make sure to do your due diligence and research before making any investment. Let us know in the comments which machine caught your eye. And don't forget to share your entrepreneurial journey with us. Thanks for tuning into Kingdom Cash, where we turn ideas into income. Remember, as you build your online empires, be kind, be humble, and be generous. The world needs more of that. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time on Kingdom Cash.